There you go, trying out HD here for you. YouTube will probably compress, or sorry, Facebook will probably compress it anyways. Oh, yeah. So the hail core is right there. Starting to hear thunder coming in from behind me for some reason.
There's some trees that fell across the road. Old Headley Road, about the 10K mark from Princeton. That's 10K east of Princeton. Path was cut to allow vehicles through. More damage from the windstorm from last night. Some real carnage there. Sad. It's just a couple more minutes up the road from the trees that I shared across the road.